no?
Pagkagaling lang ng ano yan.
Happy birthday to you.
Pagkagaling lang ng
Happy birthday
Ellie
to
yan.
you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Pero yung mga survey, hindi natibay.
It's your birthday, hooray! Happy birthday. It's your birthday, hooray! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Late. Three.
Guys, lagi na lang siya natatalo pag kami nag-iinom. Pero pag dalawa kami, lagi siyang patalo. Pag dalawa kami, lagi akong talo.
Ano yung nag-viral? Nakakatira ko yun.
Happy birthday! Living, babe, no timeouts. Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah. Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away. You and me go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me? Me and you go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away. Yeah, we're going away. You and me. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. In Hawaii. We won't ever come down.
Sa dagat, isa sa mga paborito ko guys na tanawin ay ang dagat. Nakakakalma kasi siya. Tsaka ang sarap-sarap pag-unwind kapag nakikita mo yung dagat. Parang kahit gaano kadami ang iyong problema kapag nakakita ka ng dagat, oh my gosh, meron palang solusyon sa lahat ng problema. O, diba? Nagbigay pa ng payo sa inyo si DJ Jackie. So, paano yun guys? Lalabas muna kami dahil day off ng aking husband at birthday celebration na rin at monthly celebration namin ngayon. So, iwan ko muna kayo and see you my next vlog guys. Thank you so much sa laging suporta sa akin kapag nagla-live ako. At saka, sabi nga, it's better to give than to receive. So, yun guys, yun lang. Kaya kapag nagla-live ako, piniplay ko ang inyong mga video na latest. Yan. Kaya, paalam! Paalam! Ang lamig-lamig ngayon guys. So, sa mga bago na subscribers sa aking channel, salamat!
dito. Hanggang dito lang, oh.
So, dalawa na lang para 50 na lang bayaran mo.
Bumulong ka agad mo eh. Diba?
Huwag ka gagalaw.
Dito.
So, yan na po yung ng final cut. Paro. Gwapo namang ulo nyo.
Ulo lang. Sige lang din. Pag may stop kami.
Ibabalik ko sila dito.
A special thank you from the heart